understand that. And usually, Vasudevan didn't open up. I mean, he did his work, he minded his business, he opened up to a very, very small group of people. But when you came to understand, it, you realized there was a light side and also a human and a compassionate side to his personality. Later, when he came to Maharashtra, he had a state as transport commissioner. Then he was in NTPC. I see people from NTPC are still here, which is indicative of the regard with which subordinates held him at various stages of his career. And back came the call to Home Ministry. Pradhan was the Chief Secretary, and Vasudevan went to tell him that he was not very keen on going back to the Ministry of Home Affairs. And Pradhan, according to Vasudevan, replied to him, "No, the government of Maharashtra will not stand in your way or say that we need you here. The Ministry of Home Affairs needs you, and so you shall go." That's how Vasudevan went back to the Home Ministry. In the Home Ministry, he worked in various postings, and as some of the officials you've seen, Pradhan has given him a very good compliment in his book, where he calls him a quiet and efficient officer who was very studied in his approach. And if you go by Pradhan's book, Vasudevan and Pradhan were instrumental in selling the idea of peace with Lal Denga and the constitution of the state of Mizoram. When I was in the Home Ministry in the Northeast, few years earlier, at least 12, 13 years earlier, Mizoram was a melting pot, full of insurgents. Many of you know the story of how a serving superintendent of police and IG belonging to the South was shot in Gold Run at Aizawl. He replaced me as Chief Electoral Officer of Maharashtra at the end of my 3-year term, and I moved on to the Labour Department. After a short stint, he went back again to the Government of India, as you all know, as Director General of Shipping, Secretary of Transport, and on completion of his term, he came back as the Vice Chairman of the State Administrative Tribunal. That's the case. The point about Vasudevan, which I would like to emphasize, as I said, basically Vasudevan was a private person. But he had an incisive mind, and he had a decisive mind. I wouldn't call him a model civil servant because I don't want to go overboard. Nobody is a model civil servant. It's a description that exists only in theory. Nobody is a model civil servant. But like most of us, including our friends who are gathered here today, Vasudevan was a very good civil servant. And with a lot of human qualities and a high degree of ability, always understating his performance and letting other people judge him. We have not come here to pass judgment on Vasu. We have come merely to remember him on this occasion of the 13th day. Speaking personally for myself, he was a good friend, and I had a lot in common with him, even though he had a law qualification and I did not. We used to compare notes on legal issues, and we found that we were often on the same wavelength. All I would like to say on behalf of all of us, including the family, is that we wish that his soul rests in peace. Thank you very much.